what's up? Hello, happy Friday. It's Nicole, and today we're about to do something really exciting. So one thing you should know about me is that I love Disney. If you didn't already know that, where have you been? It's probably because you're not subscribed, so go ahead and click that button right down there so we can fix that. But yes, I am a grown adult, and I love Disney. And I also love my friends. I cannot believe I'm about to do this. I wanted to do something special for them for Christmas and create a memory that we'll never forget, because that's what friends are for, right? Now, if you've been following any of my recent vlogs, you know that we've already made some pretty epic memories. Oh, you haven't seen them? Let me catch you up. So I knew I'd have to take it to the next level because we've already done some pretty awesome things. So I decided to surprise him with a trip to Disney World.
Ah! Oh my God!
I can't wait. I can't believe I pulled this off. What? My favorite people in my favorite place. Literally, what could be better? I know I sound really calm right now, but I'm actually freaking out because I'm so excited! Wow. I literally cannot contain my excitement. I feel like my heart is about to explode. They're on their way here right now and they have no idea what's about to happen. Oh my gosh! Hello! Merry Christmas! The whole gang's here! It's almost time. Are you excited? Come in! All right, everybody. Everybody sit down on the couch. Okay, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Okay. I really don't know. Okay, open your eyes. And Merry Christmas! Wait, what?
Nicole! Oh, there's something in it? What the heck?
Oh, booby trapped!
Open your presents.
Oh!
Oh, that's sick!
Everybody put your hoodies on. We have a logo!
We got a logo!
Wait,
there's something in the pocket.
coming.
Everybody reach in your pocket.
There's something in the pocket. Surprise.
We're going to Disney World! Jesus!
We're going to Disney World!
I feel like I'm about to faint.
Oh my gosh!
Tomorrow!
We're going to Disney World tomorrow. I'm so excited. What? Go do something fun with your friends. It's gonna be awesome. Stay tuned because we're going